Court adjourns Nnamdi Kanu's case to 16th October 2025. Yes, the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came up at the Federal High Court today, presided by Honorable Justice James Omotosho. The business of today was for the court to receive the report of the committee which the court ordered by the Nigerian Medical Association to do a medical examination on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and report to the court about the fitness of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to stand trial, or whether he should be moved from the DSS facility to the National Hospital Abuja. So while the matter came up today for that very report, counsel for the DSS, Mr. Suraj SAN for the DSS, informed the court that the report of the Nigerian Medical Association was not yet complete and that they will need a further date for the report to be ready and be filed in court. On that very basis, the court adjourned the matter to 16th day of October 2025 for that report from the Nigerian Medical Association to come in. That report is necessary for the court to make a decision whether Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fit to stand trial or whether he should be moved from the DSS facility to National Hospital Abuja, where he can be coming and attending his trial. So that is what happened today, and then the matter was adjourned to 16th October 2025 for that report of the Nigerian Medical Association. Indigenous people of Biafra, which is the group founded by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, had gone ahead to make a report warning the Nigerian Medical Association that on no account should they tamper with the report, which they have done. The IPOB seems to be saying that they have an inkling of what the report looks like, and that the Nigerian Medical Association should not succumb to any pressure to doctor that very report. And they also gave an indication that if the report was not what they expected, they are likely to reject it. Even after the court sitting, the legal team of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu made some statements about the medical report expected by the Nigerian Medical Association. Now take a listen.
Hello everybody, today is the 8th of October. I'm here with some of the members of the legal team. We just emerged from the closure of proceedings in the case of Nnamdi Kanu for today. The story is not going to be too long, it's very short. The prosecution made a motion, an application to adjourn this matter because the Nigerian Medical Association did not file the report that the court mandated it to file on the last adjourned date. The kernel of that report is actually to advise the court whether Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fit for trial, or continuation of trial, and whether he deserves to be transferred to a hospital, i.e. the National Hospital. So that report was not in, so for that reason the prosecution made a motion, an application to adjourn the matter to another date, and the judge granted the application and adjourned the matter to 16th October.
Yesterday, medical counsel sat on the issue that has to do with Professor Aj. And when I got the information, I went to that place because I've written a petition against the DSS doctor, the one that never examined Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and wrote a report. That was a couple of years ago, and nothing happened. Then I also wrote another one against the doctor that never examined Nnamdi Kanu, but had the audacity to depose 37 paragraph affidavit, countering the report of Professor Raj. But surprisingly, they left my own petition and created another issue. I went there, confronted them with it, so they succeeded intimidating me and harassing me with a petition against me at the FPDC. But that one is a different ballgame altogether. Now to the President, Mr. President, the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, please, as a matter of urgency, direct Attorney General to discontinue this funny charge. This charge is embarrassing Nigeria the more, and the more they keep on applying for adjournment. I know that they must have advised you, telling you that they don't have a case. I am saying. So in order to protect the integrity of Nigeria, please allow them to discontinue this particular charge, and so that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will continue with his agitation. Address all those issues that gave rise to the agitation. Everything will calm down. Anything short of that, if Nnamdi Kanu is released, he's expected to continue with the agitation. That is the naked truth. There's no going back. And all those people that are dancing around you, praising you, they are deceiving you. They are making your government unpopular. We are the people that are helping your government, telling you the truth. Attorney General will not tell you the truth, of course. No, don't touch me. Attorney General will not tell you the truth, and then another person will not. We are the people that will tell you the truth. They don't have a case against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Of course, you know that I believe that Nnamdi Kanu is from the north or from the southwest. He will not be here today. They are doing him because he's from Igbo. Nobody should touch me. Allow me to express myself. So Nnamdi Kanu is suffering this thing because he's an Igbo. He's from southeast. Those of you that are in the House of Assembly, Senate, bench warmers, watch what is going on. At the appropriate time, we will tell you people that yes, the masses are watching you. That's
if they like, the government of the day will apply for record of proceeding so that they will realize the frivolity of the charges and the evidence already before the court. There is no reason for this prosecution. All the decisions of the court ought to be reviewed so that they will know the frivolity of what is happening before the court. Thank you. Well, thank you very much, all lovers of freedom. Please take a listening to what I'm saying. Nigeria is a country we all love and we want to love, but we cannot love this country unless this country begins to do equity, begins to do justice, and begins to do fair play and fairness to every citizen of the country. Chukwuemeka Odumegwu went into the Biafra civil war because of injustice. Now, Ralph Wazulike went into agitation for Biafra because of injustice. Today, Nnamdi Kanu is fighting the same injustice. And let me tell us, even if Nnamdi Kanu today stops today, there will be 10,000 other Nnamdi Kanu out there willing to take up the fight. And I must tell us that even my own children know that we are first of all Biafrans before we are Nigerians. Nobody can take that from us. We are first of all Biafrans before we are Nigerian. Just like you are Oduduwa before you are, or Yoruba before you are Nigerian. Just like you are Arewa before you are Nigerian. Nobody can take our identity away from us. So let Nigeria know this. And nobody.
They should not manipulate the reports, because already we have already had the reports before they came, and when they examined Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they even detected more images that even the previous doctor could not even see. So that when they are writing their report, they should not manipulate it, because we already had the report before even the actual result they are going to bring.